very happy Father's Day to all the dads out there. So today Mishka decided to give a surprise to his dad and I thought to help her out in it. So basically he is very busy throughout the week with all the work that he has. So we have decided to give him a little space, a little corner of his own so that he can take a break this Father's Day from work. And he is into music, learning and playing guitar these days. So we have thought of building this, his music corner today. So let's begin. Mishka, are we ready?
Yeah!
Yay! We will start by adding a carpet or a rug with a big lamp in the corner. His favorite chair. Add a stool with some books and a cup on it. I will also be adding a stool and a plant to add that little freshness. Then we're gonna bring his guitar and place it on the other side of the chair. And ta-da! Okay Mishka, I think we are all set. Let's call Papa. If you are looking to amp up your house this Father's Day just like we did, do check out Design Cafe's YouTube channel. You can also hit them up on any social media for free design consultation.
If you are looking to amp up your home this Father's Day, just like we did, do check out Design Cafe's YouTube channel or hit them up on any of their social media handles for a free design consultation.
Dad definitely deserves the special gift in Father's Day, and we love our daddy in our house, and we are going to surprise him with some special moment. We will decorate, celebrate and make some fun memories. Watch this video till end to know the surprise. Let's start! Yay! like to give your father the luxury of beautifully home done on this Father's Day, then look no further. Go to the YouTube channels of Design Cafe or hit them up on any of their social media handles to get free design consultations.